Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the daily question of Leetcode, which is 3170 numbered. This is about lexicographically minimum string after removing stars. The question talks. Now we'll go into the question. The question, you are given a string as it may contain any number of star characters. Your task is to remove all the star characters. While there is a star character, do the following operations: delete the leftmost star character and the smallest non-star character to its left. If there are several small characters, you can delete any one of them. And we need to return the lexicographically smallest string after removing all the star characters. If you see example 1, this will gives us the clear idea. Here we have the question basically asks to remove the star character, and we need to find the smallest leftmost smallest non-star character and remove that particular character. So here we have seen clearly ABA star. I'll give you the I'll demonstrate the example so that it will be easy for you. So we found that first star character at fourth index, and we clearly see that AABA. We have only two type of characters, A and B, which are prior to that star character, and A is having and this is clear. It is clearly evident that we need to remove the eighth A character only because that is the smallest character, and A is having a position set 0, 1 and 3. So suppose if I remove 0th character, if I remove 0th character, which means that I'll be ending up getting this final string as ABA. If I remove first character, I'll be ending I'll be ending I'll be ending at the same string ABA. If I remove the third character, then 0th character will be intact, the second character will be intact, and third character 0 first and second character will be intact, so I will be getting it AAB. And we can clearly see that out of these three, AAB is the smallest lexicographically smallest string, and we are supposed to return the same thing. This is the answer. Okay, now given the example and we are able to understand it, the main crux of this problem is at any point of time, if you find a character which is star, just know the capture the smallest character of that is prior to the star, and remove the biggest index of that particular character. Here I have captured the smallest character as A, and then remove the biggest index. Biggest index of it is 3. Okay, now we'll go now we'll do the problem step by step in the same way. And I'll consider size of the string. Then for capturing the smallest character at every point of time, I'll be taking a map which takes character and stack of int. Now I'll be going through each character. Here now I have two types. If my character is equals to is a star character, else it is not a star character. If it is not a star character, what should I do? If it is not a star character, just push that character into the stack of that particular in the map. Okay, if it is a star character, I was supposed to remove the smallest character which is having the largest index. So I need to see which character is the smallest character. That I can capture it using ma.begin will capture me the first thing and first pointer, and ma.begin will capture is my first pointer, and I can get ma.begin first will give me the character, which character is my smallest character, and I need to remove the I need to capture the smallest that index also, biggest index of that character. That is nothing but this is till here it is a stack, and for that particular stack I need to get the top of it, that will capture my index. Now I need to remove the top element of it, right? So I'll do the same thing. I'm capturing the first stack using this variable, this thing, not variable, sorry, this thing, and then I'm popping out the index. Now I'll be changing this answer, I'll be changing it to some dummy character. I'll explain you why am I doing it. And I have already changed it, so I'm changing the star characters to also the same dummy character. Okay, now that I am able to see it, now I need to read this. I have removed it from the stack. So if my stack is empty, I need to remove this character from my map. So how am I doing it? If my stack is empty, then erase the first erase that particular character. So I have erased it and I have handled the conditions. Now post handling the conditions, my answer will be the answer which are not the dummy character. I'll be capturing each character of that particular string. If my character is equals to dummy character, don't append it, continue, else append that character to my string, return this answer. We will comment this down. Let's check. Okay, let's try submitting the solution. Okay, so we will examine what is our complexity here. We are iterating over this loop only once, and for every star character, for every star character we are finding what is the smallest character. So actually inserting into this will take searching for that particular element will take log n, and inserting into stack is an order of one operation. So and we are removing the top element of the stack, that is order of one operation, and top element of the stack, that is order of one operation, and we are inserting here, that is order of log n operation, and when we are removing that particular index, that is again a log n. So it boils down to order of n as a whole. Time complexity will boils down to order of n for this particular as we are iterating to the loop only once, and internally we are checking for a particular string character. Then the space complexity will be order of n only, because like for each particular in the map, for each particular character, that the maximum number of characters will be 26, but for 26 characters, if I suppose there are no star characters, I mean, like if you see in the example of ABC, there are no star characters, right? So I'll be pushing that to my map every time. So at max I can push n characters. So time space complexity will be order of n, and yeah, this will be the answer. Thank you.